Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit data using Experian step by step clearly. To begin backing up your credit data using Experian, open your preferred web browser. Type Experian into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Experian website link. Once on the home page, locate the login option, usually found in the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your email and password, then click on the login button. If you don't have an account, find the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the credit report section, typically located on the main dashboard. Click on the option to view your credit report. Carefully review your report for accuracy and any discrepancies. Look for the option to download or save your credit report. Select the format you prefer, such as PDF or CSV. Click on the download button to save the file to your computer. Confirm the download location, ensuring it is easily accessible. Once downloaded, open the file to verify it contains all necessary information. Consider making additional backups by saving the file to a cloud storage service. Regularly repeat this process to maintain up-to-date copies of your credit data. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your credit data using Experian. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.